In this Canny update, we're excited to share our new Knowledge Hub for Autopilot, updates to our translation feature, and more. Let's dive in. If you're using Autopilot's feedback discovery to automatically capture feedback, great news! Autopilot just got smarter. Meet the Knowledge Hub. This new feature helps Autopilot better understand your product by learning from your documentation. Just upload your product documentation like Help Center articles, developer docs, or internal wikis straight to the Knowledge Hub in your settings. With this context, Autopilot can identify when a customer is asking for an existing feature. When feedback matches an existing feature, Autopilot will tag it with an existing feature label. In automated mode, these suggestions will even be dismissed automatically. This saves time and helps your team focus on requests for new features. You can start uploading your docs today by going to your Autopilot settings in Canny and clicking on Knowledge Hub. We've also updated our Salesforce integration. Now, when you link a Canny post to a Salesforce opportunity, a vote will be added automatically for the opportunity's primary contact. Here's how it works. Make sure each Salesforce opportunity has a primary contact assigned. Link a Canny post to the opportunity, and that's it. A vote will automatically be added on behalf of the primary contact. Translations are officially live. This feature lets user-generated content appear in your customer's browser language or their chosen language. This includes posts, comments, changelog entries, and more. Users can update their language preference in their profile settings. We currently support 12 languages. That's it for this round of Canny updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.